I'm Moshe Benarroch. I'm a board-certified periodontist. I've been working with Dr. Frey and Annie for over 5 years now here in the Beverly Hills office. We strive to treat all our patients as we would treat our own family members. We offer a variety of services to help patients achieve the smile and function and health that they desire. We can offer dental implants to replace missing teeth. We can replace a single missing tooth. We can replace multiple missing teeth, or we can replace all your missing teeth with teeth in a day. We use state-of-the-art technology using digital scanners and digital CT scans, and we compile that information so that we can provide you with the surgery of removing teeth, placing your dental implants, and placing new teeth all in the same day. When we do that, you walk out of the office with a beautiful new smile on the same day.
I've been working with Dr. Benarrosh for a little over a year now, and he's the first doctor that I've worked with right after school.
Oh.
Yeah, I've been working with him since December of 2021. Yeah, so same thing. Like, he was also the first doctor that I worked with too.
Great.
It's been good, yeah.
It's definitely different from working in a general office, but I wouldn't even have that experience, so I think it's great that we started off in a specialty.
Yeah, we went through the same program. It was like a 12-week program, and then we were able to get a job from straight after there.
No, so dental assisting, you kind of just sign up for it, and it's a 3-month program, and then you're straight working. I actually got this job while I was still in school, so.
Oh, congrats.
I would just say I've definitely learned that I can work hard in stressful circumstances. This job has definitely made me stronger in those kinds of ways. I can work under pressure a little better now.
Yeah, I kind of learned like the same thing. You know, I've definitely gotten better with like interacting like with patients, like talking with people. That was one thing that I definitely am a lot better at now. Same thing, kind of just like working under pressure. I like that it's so fast paced, and like you're never really bored ever, and I like that.
Oh, many things. I feel like I never got to see the surgical aspect of the job in school, so I feel like my first day was kind of starting fresh. He's taught me so much though, kind of just like the proper etiquette of everything. He's taught me all that I know.
Yeah, it's pretty much the same thing. Like I had never actually seen like a surgery up until like my working interview. But I knew like from like my very first day that I really was gonna like it, and I love it, and I think I'm having a good time.
I would say it's, we're really good on like being happy and pleasing people, so having everything ready to go for our patients, making the experience as comfortable as possible, working together is great. I'm getting more comfortable with knowing what his next move is, and it helps out in the office throughout.
Yeah, just kind of keeping the routine going. It's pretty much the same thing, just like keeping the patients comfortable. That's like the top priority. And then I'm also learning a lot along the way, so.
I would say just making them feel comfortable is one of the best things. What I appreciate about Dr. Benarroch is he always asks their patients if they want to know what's going on. Some people would find that very nerve-wracking, but then some people would love that and think it would help them. So it's one of the things that I liked about working with him.
Yeah.
He wants to make their patients as most comfortable as possible.
Yeah. Cool. Pretty much like the top priority. Yeah, pretty much the same thing. Just making sure that they're comfortable, that they have a good experience, and yeah.